So watch what happens when I remove this. Woo! Now it's starting to flow. You do not want your dryer vent on the roof clogged like this. Look how solid this is. It's like cement, super dangerous. Look at that. Little efficiency. So once that's cleared out, this dryer will dry much better. Make sure you check your dryer vent exit vent. Almost completely blocked with flammable lint. Barely any air coming out. The clothes will not dry correctly like this. Watch what happens when I pull this out. Boom. Look at all this. The lint gets stuck there, and then it closes this door. There's a door up here. And look how much is on top of the door. Wet lint closing the door. It's a fire hazard, and it's going to cost you more money on your utility bill. Yeah. So this was blocking the whole exit. Be sure to have the exit vent of your dryer inspected and cleaned, because that is the most important part of the whole dryer system. Get more money on your electric bill, so make sure you clear it out. You can see how much more air is coming out, and this dryer is going to work. Make sure to clear the exit vent. And this is blocking about 80 to 90% of the airflow. To get your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year, otherwise it could become a fire hazard. In the opening, if your dryer vent goes on the roof, make sure you have it cleaned at least once a year. There we go. This is one of the worst roof clogs I've seen. Customer was going to the laundromat saying they couldn't do laundry. Look at all this lint by the exit, blocking all the air from coming out. Look what happens. Woo! Look at all that. Wow, this dryer is going to work much better once I'm done cleaning it. Look at all this stuck to the top. Once it gets stuck like this, it's like a magnet, and it just keeps on building up. Look at this. Keep on going. Look at that. Wow. And then the door, all this lint is on top of the door, causing it to be weighed down and not dry to close. Make sure you have your dryer vent cleaned at least once a year, and make sure they go on the roof so you're not dealing with this. One of the worst clogs I've ever seen. This huge piece of lint blocking the whole exit vent on the dryer vent. Watch this. Now it's working. Look how big this piece of lint is, like a sponge. From the exit vent, your dryer is not going to be safe, and it is not going to dry the clothes.